नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ। तो चलते आज डिस्कसन करवा वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफी रिवर्स टॉप 30 एमसीक्यू। व्हिच सी डज द नाइल रिवर ड्रेन इनटू? तो नाइल रिवर क्यों समुद्र रे पतित हुए? द करेक्ट आंसर इज मेडिटरेनियन सी। इनटू व्हिच वाटर बॉडी डज द उराल रिवर फ्लो? तो उराल नदी क्यों जलभाग रे प्रवाहित हुए? The correct answer is Caspian Sea. In which country is the Mekong Delta situated? तो मेकंग डेल्टा क्यों देश रे अवस्थित? The correct answer is Vietnam. Which body of water marks the end of the Mississippi River drainage basin? तो मिसिसिपी नदी जल निष्कासन अववाहिकार शेष केउ जलभाग रे हुए? The correct answer is Gulf of Mexico. The Robe River is considered a major river of which country? तो रोब नदी केउ देशर एक प्रमुख नदी भावरे विवेचित? The correct answer is Australia. Along with the Moselle and Main, which river is a major tributary of the Rhine? तो मोजेल एवं मेन सहित केउ नदी राइन रो एक प्रमुख उपनदी? The correct answer is Ruhr. The Brahmani and Baitarani rivers belong to the river system of which Indian state? तो ब्राह्मणी एवं बैतरणी नदी क्यों भारतीय राज्यर नदी प्रणालीर अंश? The correct answer is Odisha. Near which city does the Burma Delta form a large estuarine region at the river's mouth? तो बर्मा डेल्टा नदी मुहाण रे क्यों सहर निकट रे एक बड़ जुआर नदी अंचल गठन करे? The correct answer is Rangoon. Into which ocean does the Congo river basin primarily drain? तो कंगो नदी अववाहिका मुख्यतः केउ महासागर रे पतित हुए? The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. Which river is frequently recognized as having the largest discharge globally? तो विश्व रे केउ नदी को सर्वाधिक जल निष्कासन पई बारंबार स्वीकृति दिया जाए? The correct answer is Amazon. Which river is famous for its vast delta and historical silk production? तो केउ नदी यार विशाल डेल्टा एवं ऐतिहासिक रेशम उत्पादन पई प्रसिद्ध? The correct answer is Yangtze. Which waterfall is the Zambezi river renowned for along its path? तो जाम्बेजी नदी यार पथरे केउ जलप्रपात पई प्रसिद्ध? The correct answer is Victoria Falls. The St. Lawrence River links the Great Lakes with which sea? तो सेंट लॉरेंस नदी ग्रेट लेक्स को केउ समुद्र सहित संयोग करे? The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. The Irrawaddy River is considered a principal river of which nation? तो इरावादी नदी केउ राष्ट्रर एक प्रमुख नदी भावरे विवेचित? The correct answer is Myanmar. The Parana River serves as a major watercourse in which region? तो पाराना नदी केउ अंचल रे एक प्रमुख जलपथ भावरे कार्य करे? The correct answer is South America. In which country do the Tigris and Euphrates rivers meet? तो टाइग्रिस एवं यूफ्रेटिस नदी केउ देश रे मिलित हुए? The correct answer is Iraq. Which waterfall is the Zambezi river famous for on its course? तो जाम्बेजी नदी यार प्रवाह रे केउ जलप्रपात पई प्रसिद्ध? The correct answer is Victoria Falls. Into which water body does the Yukon river discharge? तो यूकन नदी केउं जलभागरे पतित हुए? The correct answer is Arctic Ocean. The Sundarbans mangrove region is linked to which river? तो सुंदरबन मैंग्रोव अंचल केउं नदी सहित जड़ित? The correct answer is all of the above. The Orinoco river flows as a major river in which country? तो ओरिनोको नदी केउं देश रे एक प्रमुख नदी भावरे प्रवाहित हुए? The correct answer is Venezuela. During the monsoon season, the Brahmaputra and its tributaries mainly causes flooding in which country? तो मौसुमी ऋतु रे ब्रह्मपुत्र एवं एहार उपनदी गुड़िक मुख्यतः केउं देश रे बन्या सृष्टि करती? The correct answer is Bangladesh. Near the Punjab region, which river forms the boundary between India and Pakistan in certain sections? The पंजाब अंचल निकटरे केउं नदी किछि अंशरे भारत एवं पाकिस्तान मध्यरे सीमा गठन करे? The correct answer is Satluj. The basin of the Yangtze River is primarily associated with which major city? तो यांगेज नदीर अववाहिका मुख्यतः केउं प्रमुख सहर सहित जड़ित? The correct answer is Shanghai. Through which region does the Niger River mainly flow? तो नाइजर नदी मुख्यतः केउं अंचल दे प्रवाहित हुए? The correct answer is West Africa. The Grand Canyon in the United States is formed by which river? तो युक्तराष्ट्र ग्रैंड कैनियन केउं नदी द्वारा गठित? The correct answer is Colorado River. Into which sea does the Rhine River flows? तो राइन नदी केउं समुद्र रे प्रवाहित हुए? The correct answer is North Sea. Through which two countries does the Indus River primarily flow? तो सिंधु नदी मुख्यतः केउं दुईटी देश दे प्रवाहित हुए? The correct answer is Pakistan and India. For which characteristics is the Congo River well known? तो कंगो नदी केउं वैशिष्ट्य गुड़िक पई सुपरिचित? The correct answer is all of the above. In which nation is the Volga recognized as the longest river? तो भोल्गा नदी को केउं राष्ट्र रे सबुठारु लंबा नदी भावरे स्वीकृति दिया जाए? The correct answer is Russia. In which country is the Ganges river considered sacred? तो गंगा नदी को केउं देश रे पवित्र भावरे विवेचना करा जाए? The correct answer is India. तो वीडियोटी भल लगी लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब निश्चित करिवे।